Respected Principal Sir and all teachers, today is 26th January. This year we are celebrating 75th Republic Day. At first, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Republic Day is a national festival of India. On 26th January 1950, the Constitution of India came into force. The Constitution is the supreme law of India. Our Constitution is the largest written Constitution in the whole world. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the father of our Constitution. We should always respect our Constitution. Republic Day gives us the message of unity and equality. I am proud of to be an Indian and I love my country very much. East and West, India is the best. Thank you.